Hello friends, welcome to MNX Designs. Today I will show you how to create dual lighting effect in Photoshop like this. First, we have to open our required image. I want to open this one. Open. Click on the layer panel. We need a background copy. We can create a background copy by pressing Ctrl J. After that, we have to press on this circle icon, click here and click on the top side there on the gradient. After it, we have to change the angle toward the right side, and we have to repeat this process again. Click on the circle icon and click on gradient. After it, we have to change the angle towards the left side, and we have to also change the color. I want blue color here, so got it. Okay, and after it, we have to select the both of layer by pressing shift and change the blending option from normal to the color, and we have to reduce the fill 50 to 60 to make our image realistic. This is the right and easiest way to create realistic lighting effect in Photoshop. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and share, and also press the bell icon so you will get a notification when I upload a new video. Thank you so much.